Right now, I'm standing in front of the High Court of Justice in the United Kingdom, the highest judicial authority in this country. Just moments ago, we formally submitted a legal claim to the High Court, challenging the UK government's latest immigration policy. Yes, the policy is still in the consultation. Yes, it has not yet been fully confirmed. But the direction and the effect on the change already raised serious concern under the European human rights legal frameworks. We believe that the way this policy is being introduced may violate fundamental principles protected under European human rights framework. And we are confident in challenging what we believe to be wrongful approach. This is not an emotional reaction. This is not an act of confrontation. This is a rational, measured legal challenge based on the UK legal system and the broader European legal framework. We are not asking, can the government change policy? Of course, it can. What we are asking is something more important. When rules change, can the government shift the entire course of this change onto people who have already followed the rules and already made real, irreversible financial commitments? And the European Human Rights Law, Article 1 of Protocol Number 1, A1P1, protects not dreams, but real investments already made. Visa fees, immigration health charge, legal fees, years of time, career decisions, family plannings, all those things. When a system runs for years in a stable way, and ordinary people build their lives based on that system, that reliance has legal meaning. We are standing here today not to fight anyone, but to tell the court, those people are real. Their sacrifices are real. Many friends and family members have asked me, you have already secured your own position. Why get involved? Why speak for those still on the journey? And many people are worried. Is there risk? Will this affect my future? Let me be completely honest. Every lawsuit carries risk. Time risk, financial cost, emotion pressure, even the risk of losing. But we must face another reality. If Chinese don't stand up, the system only hears Chinese silence. We choose to speak in the language of law, not in the language of anger. We choose to speak in court, not simply complain online. This case is not only about individual outcomes. If we succeed, it creates 3 layers of value. First, for the individuals involved, fair treatment in their own cases. Second, for others in similar situations, a legal limit on how the rules can be applied, especially where there is no transaction or compensation. Third, for future policy, a clear signal. Rules can change, but change must respect legal fairness. That is how a society government by law works. To the Chinese community in the UK, especially those who are still waiting, still affected, there are at least tens of thousands of people impacted. We live here, we work here, we pay taxes, we follow the rules, we respect the system. Sometimes we are so law-abiding, so patient, that we accept everything without speaking out. But respecting the system does not mean remaining silent. I still have deep faith in the British judicial system. This country may not be where I was born, but its rule of law is something I truly believe in. The legal system exists to protect lawful rights. Standing up is protecting our legitimate rights. And the standing up is not only for ourselves, it's for the next generation, for our children growing up here. If we remain silent today, our children may face the same uncertain tomorrow. By standing here today, we want them to see that Chinese people are capable to speaking up, of using the law, of protecting our rights with legal power. Finally, I want to thank you. Thank you everyone who has trusted and support this effort. No matter what the outcome is, we move forward together for ourselves and for the next generation. Whether you are directly affected or not, whether you have already secured your status or are still waiting, I ask you one thing. Please do not stay silent. Leave your voice here. Let us know we are not alone.